last unit, unit 2, section A we have finished, right? Second unit 2, first unit completely we had included with the grammar, we have finished on, and also and unit part games and sports. It indicates unit 2 games and sports. Part A we have finished. That is about the height, how Michael has made his dream come true even though he was handicapped, even though he was blind. Whole one, how he had crossed it, how he had become an international player, what he made him to do it, we had learned. And let's come to the topic of C, as it is unit indicates games and sports, students. Right? Before I start the class, just give me a small advice to you. Right? All you are now day by day the corona cases were getting increased. Of course, the situation was very tough to go out and the people were scaring to live a lifestyle. Now, by being at home, always try to be sanitized, be safe, and take healthy food. Take the advices of your parents. Don't come out. Of course, completely living for 4 to 5 months at home. Actually, by this time, we used to start our academic year regularly. But such situation has come. We are going to meet you through online classes. See, the situation has come like that. By being at home, take hygiene food, take healthy food, and take precautions. Always wash your hands, and even with eye contact also, it's going to be passed on. So be careful and be attentive. Don't go out for unnecessary things. If it is an emergency necessary, then you go out. But no, just I want to play cricket. Now I got the time. Don't feel it all. Be serious about your studies as you are 9th. It is the right time to concentrate on your studies. I hope you are doing it well. Let's begin our class. Now the session of C, it had contained a lesson, Mr. BVS Lakshman. I think most of the boys, not only boys, sorry to say you, but even the girls very passionate to play cricket. How many of you know about Mr. BVS Lakshman? He is from Andhra Pradesh. One of the greatest player who had played for a long time, who had got a name in a very short span, he was Mr. BVS Lakshman. He was our Telugu man. See what a proud moment to say that he related to us, right? So, what made him to become a popular player and what efforts he had put to be a player? Let's go into the lesson. Page number 38, if you open that, you will find a lesson about Mr. BVS Lakshman. I hope all you have textbooks and open. I'm going to read. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. Success and failures are parts of anybody's life. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. BVS Lakshman tells BVA Subramanian. So, BVS Lakshman, somebody asked, success and failures, if he had considered them, both are parts of the body. One failure should not stop your success. And one success should not stop your many success. Is not it? See here, once a person habituated to get a success, he don't tolerate failure. And one person who tolerate failures, he will consist about his success. Even though failures are success, we have to consider both of them equally. We should not stop our success with one success. We should not stop our many success with one failure. We must try until you get succeed. See, the person has not said it easily. He told it with an experience. Even though we have to do that, even whatever the successful person you take in your life, who have been an achiever before you, who was standing before you, as a person who have been got the flavor of success, greatest people you take, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and Zuckerberg. Those older, these were international celebrities, is not it? The most famous celebrities. But Ratan Tata you take, Ratan Tata, when he had started the cars, when he had entered his own business to be started off, he visited South Korea. Then, before he started this Tata Indigo cars when he had introduced, he got firstly a big failure. Everybody laughed at him. See, without knowing why you should enter the business, why he has to do it. But such a situation, he turned it in such a way that when those companies were in loss, Ratan Tata, the only business magnet, had come forward to take over the business. See, great people will not speak, will do it and show. Definitely, this is the contemporary cricket has called it a day. For someone who delighted cricketers lover with his brilliance with his willow for 16 years in his test cricket. Vangipurapu Venkatesai Lakshman. Vangipurapu Venkatesai Lakshman, his full name, VVS Lakshman's full name, announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad. Ahead of the 2 test series against New Zealand, the 37-year-old star batsman, who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 test team, shares his experience and thoughts in an exclusive interview with a Sports Star. Sports Star, when you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? It has been wonderful. It was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki Syed Moinuddin Zaki from the under 16 level itself. They made us play in the under 19 grade of the same year. It was a huge leap for us and very encouraging. Fortunately, by 18, I was very verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 years of international cricket. It has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. So, at the age of 37, Mr. Lakshman has declared his retirement. Actually, he was a famous player, even not in day sports. As a cricket player, even he was very interested, and when he had played Mohammad Zaki, he is one more player. First they had played under 19 level, and our Indian Cricket Association of Hyderabad, the Cricket Association of Hyderabad, first they have selected them to play Ranji Trophy. Okay, and the person who was taking the interview of Mr. Lakshman also is a player. Let's see who is the person at last. But now he was asking, come on, Venkatapurapu Veerasai Lakshman. Venkatapurapu Venkatesai Lakshman is a full name of Mr. VVS Lakshman, and he started first playing under 19. Then he had got an interest to play Ranji Trophy. Okay, and he was got a great name first when he had got declared at the age of 37 after playing the test match with Switzerland. As a test player only, VVS Lakshman is very famous, not as a one-day match player, but he was very famous in the test player, as a test player. Who was being the biggest influence on you? Now the questions of an interviewer is asking Mr. Lakshman, my parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhama. So, Satyabhama and Shantaram were the parents of Mr. VVS Lakshman, both were the doctors. Okay, they were the inspiration to him. No doubt about that, especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of our family, but the guiding philosophy which was taught by athlete success and failure equal gain. Actually, there is no such background to Mr. VV Lakshman about studies. See, his parents both they were doctors. Of course, most of the families you might have seen in a society that definitely doctor children they'll prefer to study, they will prefer to do MBBS, right? But VVS Lakshman, he was not inspired by their parents. He has an interest in sports and games, and also his parents encouraging him to become a sportsman. That's why, obviously, my parents were my inspiration. He had said, what did the sport teach you? Character. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced and obviously whatever I am today because of cricket. See what sport teach you, what study will teach you? Values. Like that, cricket had taught him character. If you lost wealth, nothing is lost. If you lost health, something is lost. If you lost character, everything is lost. So sports taught him the character, which he did not lose, which had balanced both the success and failures in his life equally. Character had taught him. What was the most difficult phase of your career? So when he started his career as a cricketer, what is the most difficult phase? Every profession has its own difficult phase. As a doctor, as a lawyer, as a teacher, as a student, even whatever the phases, whatever the duties they may do, there will be a difficult phase in every profession, in every career. Let's see, it was when I had preferred cricket to academics. That was the toughest moment of my life. Though there was always the dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor. Coming from a family of doctors, luckily my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. Here the role of my uncle, Baba Mohan, was very crucial along with some of the coaches there. Actually, in academics, when he was studying in academics particularly, as he was, I told you at the beginning of the lesson, as both they were the doctors, definitely the parents, they will expect something that their son or daughter also should be the doctors. It is a common expectation comes to every parent, right? But here, to Mr. Lakshman, his father had given the two options to him, either to be perfect in games or else to be a doctor. Come on to one way. He had given that option. Then his uncle had supported him. His Baba Mohan had considered many of the coaches for cricket and helped him. Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big you did? How things change in a lot this regard. Frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. Yeah, there are many platforms to real talent to come good, and IPL is on such that pushes you into national rank economy. And if you perform, you are born to be recognized. Yes, is absolutely correct. In those days, to be popular in games, it is a lengthy process. But so he asked, is it difficult nowadays to get a name in sports? Then he said, it is not an easy. There is a good platform. Indian Premier League, International Premier League, IPL is one of the greatest platform, and also media. Media is playing a vital role. See, many of the great players we have been got these days. You take PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu popularly, in a very short time, she has been the popular player. She got an identity because media is searching for the outcoming players. And also they will recognize and easily they are getting named. So media is playing a vital role. From where did you draw the strength of to merge as a giant every time there was an effort to dwarf your achievements? My parents and my entire family again, along with my well-wishers, were always the source of inspiration. The best part is that they never change irrespective of whether I was performing or not. So, what is your strength? Say to every person, what is your strength? Is family. It's not it. The first name, if it comes from the family, my parents. It's not it. Not to me, not to you, not to any other person. What is our strength? That what is our weakness? Both of us and family only. So, even though he had been player, sometimes he may play, sometimes he may not play. Life is like a cricket, you don't know when you will lose your wicket. It's not. When you are playing, sometimes according to the conditions, but depending on the bowler, he may perform well. One situation, suddenly he may lose his wicket. It is a secondary situation. Sometimes, of course, he may play well, sometimes he may not play well. That depends on his strength, is not it? So, even though he played or he did not play, his family always was behind of him. They did not discourage him and they helped him and they motivated him. What were your biggest moments as a cricketer? What were your biggest moments? There were many, but some stand out. Some were very memorable. Though I never played the World Cup, that saw India as a #1 team. Being a member of the Indian team, which was the world #1 Test cricket, was one of them. So actually, he did not play in World Cup anytime. Previous session, he did not play. But he had played number of test matches. Test matches, he had played many. The 281 against the Aces in Kolkata in 2000 was another. So 281 is the highest mark which was done by, the score was done by Mr. D.V.S. Lakshman. 281 runs with Australia Kolkata match in 2001 was a very memorable one. That test remains the most memorable match for me. In fact, the test series was very special for all the players, but it was also the best, most memorable series. That series gave us the confidence that we can be the best. Clearly, that was the turning point of Indian cricket itself. So, in 2001 with Australia, when they were playing a match, test cricket match with Australia, the score of Mr. Lakshman was very high. And Australian players were kangaroos, very difficult to play with Australia, you know it. As you are the very huge fans of cricket, most of the people you know which team is very strong, which team and which player will have what type of bowling style, batting style will have. It's not it. That to playing with Australia is very difficult. So that match has completely got a very big name to Indian team. When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the #1 side? It is important to remember it was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. It all started in early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav. My first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni, they all led my example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. So, why India had become the #1 team? What were the reasons? Means he told. Because in all the captaincies, with the under Mr. Dhoni had played and Sachin, Saurav Ganguly, cricket means you know who was the father of cricket? Don Bradman. Is not it? But to India, my name will be remarkable forever and ever. He was none other than Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Is not it? But he had played with under the leadership captainship of Mr. Sachin and also Mr. Dhoni and as well as Mr. Saurav Ganguly. But he liked the captainship of Mr. Saurav Ganguly had given a comfortable way to him. Of course, that has made our team #1. How different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? As a captain, how Saurav, up to what extent he was different? I must say that the combination Saurav Ganguly and coach John Wright was influential in changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. It was then we started doing well consistently, especially abroad, as we had some amazingly talented individuals with the hunger of success who played with great pride, worked really hard and showed great commitment levels. What has been your funniest incident on the field? Well, when Saurav I collided while taking a single in an oval ODI, it is still amusing but embarrassing when I look back as to how it could have happened. So, ODI means one day international match, is not it? So, what first thing is that Saurav Ganguly as a captain, he had followed many of the methods and also at the time who was the coach of our Indian team? John Wright from Australia. He was an Australian coach. Okay, so John Wright and Saurav Ganguly, both they had balanced our matches. Then they go to abroad. Particularly, playing our Indian grounds is not an easy task. Is of course as well as if they prefer to go for abroad. But even in our India, in a comfortable way they play. But when they go to abroad, you know, playing on those grounds it is very difficult. But even though John Wright and Saurav Ganguly captainship had balanced all the players equally, you know, even when they had played in such a difficult way also, it had come in such a way they had got a good depth of all things. They had got good depth of all the things. They had made a comfortable way to play with all the players. Every player will have one type of bowling style and batting style. Saurav Ganguly has given a lot of comfort to all the players. He had treated everybody equally as a captain. That was the specialty of Mr. Saurav Ganguly. And as a coach, Mr. John Wright has led a right way to all the players to give a right scope. Here we had come to the end of our page number 40 students. We will continue this lesson in our next class and I am going to give you the homework. Write down a short description of VVS Lakshman. And these sentences. You know, to write this, you must read the lesson, students. After not only, as you are 9th class now, you should be aware to know all the lessons very clearly. I hope you are doing well. And also, one more very important thing is that after every lesson, your class will, you know, writing the summary and also words, meanings of your lesson. I hope you have taken your study materials. Study material also will help you one day to write the homework. There is an introduction in your study material of Mr. VVS Lakshman. We had come to the end of the page number 40. So, what we have finished, you know, through through the interview and the content which is related to Mr. VVS Lakshman. But based on that, you have to write at least 50 sentences about Mr. VVS Lakshman. For that, you have to read your textbook, students. So just it is a task. Don't think that it is a task. It's a burden. It's your duty. It is a responsibility. Feel that and also realize it. When you had concentrated to write, automatically there are no question answer students to you, right? So what is important is that you improve your writing skills and reading skills. It's important. But that essentially is to write something. That's why I have given you that. Here we have come to the mid part of our lesson. We'll continue our class in our next lesson, in our next session. We see you all. Meet in our next class. I hope all you are good at homes. Be safe. Don't go out. Okay, take healthy food. Thank you.